How to earn money using Brave Browser Tutorial 2026. Did you know you can earn actual money just by browsing the internet normally? Every time you see an ad on Google or Facebook, they make money off your attention. What if you could keep that money instead? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to earn money using Brave Browser in 2026, so you can turn your daily browsing into passive income. Brave Browser is a free privacy-focused browser that pays you BAT tokens for viewing ads, instead of letting big tech companies keep all the profit. Most people use it for free without realizing they can earn real money. Let me walk you through exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Download Brave Browser. Go to brave.com and click Download. Select your device type, whether it is Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. Follow the installation instructions. Brave is completely free and takes about 2 minutes to install. Step 2. Open Brave and import your bookmarks. When Brave opens for the first time, you will see an option to import from Chrome or other browsers. Click Import to bring in all your bookmarks and settings. This makes switching from Chrome painless. Step 3. Enable Brave Rewards. Look at the top right corner of your browser where the address bar is. You will see a triangle-shaped bat icon. Click on it. A menu appears saying Enable Rewards or something similar. Click Enable Rewards. Step 4. Select your region. Brave asks you to select your country or region. This determines which ads you see and how much you can earn. Select your location accurately and click Next. Step 5. Connect your payout account. To actually receive money, you need to connect an account where Brave can send your BAT earnings. You have two options. Option 1 is using a custodial partner like Uphold or Gemini, where Brave sends your BAT directly. Option 2 is using your own self-custody crypto wallet. For beginners, I recommend Uphold because it is simpler. Step 6. Sign up for Uphold if you do not have an account. Go to uphold.com, click Create Account, enter your email, create a password, and verify your identity. This takes about 5 minutes. Uphold is free and lets you convert BAT to regular money later. Step 7. Connect Uphold to Brave. Go back to Brave Rewards, click Connect Account, select Uphold from the list of partners, and log into your Uphold account. Brave now knows where to send your monthly earnings. Step 8. Enable Brave Ads. In the Brave Rewards panel, look for a toggle that says Brave Ads, turn it on. This is what actually generates your income. You will now start seeing ads when you browse. Step 9. Customize your ad frequency. Brave lets you control how many ads you see. You can set it to see between 0 and 10 ads per hour. Most people set it to 5 or 10 ads per hour. More ads means more earnings but more notifications. Choose what works for you. Step 10. Start browsing normally. That is it. Just use Brave as your normal browser. Go to websites like you normally would. You will see ads as push notifications and on new tabs. Click them or ignore them. You still earn BAT for just seeing them. Step 11. Check your earnings monthly. Every month on the same date, Brave automatically sends your earned BAT to your Uphold account. You can check your balance anytime by clicking the BAT icon. Most users earn between $5 and $20 worth of BAT per month depending on location and ad frequency. Step 12. Convert BAT to money if you want. Once BAT is in your Uphold account, you can convert it to regular money. Go to Uphold, click on your BAT balance, select Convert, choose your currency, and confirm. The money goes into your Uphold wallet and you can transfer it to your bank account. Step 13. Optional. Register as a Brave creator for additional income. If you have a YouTube channel, Twitch stream, Twitter account, or personal website, you can register as a Brave creator. This lets other Brave users tip you directly with their BAT. Go to brave.com/creators, select your platform, and verify your account. Step 14. Optional. Receive contributions from supporters. Once you are a registered creator, users can send you monthly BAT contributions from their Brave rewards. Many creators earn additional $50 to $200 per month, this way depending on their audience. Important information about earning with Brave. Brave shares 70% of ad revenue with you and keeps 30%. This is much better than Chrome, which keeps 100%. Your earnings are passive, which means you do not have to do anything except browse normally. You do not have to click ads or do surveys. You earn just for seeing them. Your privacy is protected unlike other browsers. Brave does not collect your data even though you see ads. All your data stays on your device. BAT is a real cryptocurrency that trades on exchanges. You can hold it as an investment or convert it to regular money immediately. Pro tip. The fastest way to increase your earnings is to maximize your ad frequency while still having a good browsing experience. Set Brave ads to 7 or 8 per hour instead of the default 2 or 3. This doubles your monthly earnings with minimal disruption to your browsing. Also register as a Brave creator even if you have a small following. Many creators with just 100 subscribers earn $30 to $50 per month in tips from their audience. It is free to register and takes 5 minutes. So to recap, download Brave browser, import your bookmarks, enable Brave rewards, select your region, connect Uphold as your payout account, enable Brave ads, customize your ad frequency. Use Brave as your normal browser, check earnings monthly, convert BAT to money, and optionally register as a creator. If this video helped you start earning with Brave browser, hit the like button and subscribe for more passive income guides. And drop a comment below telling me how much BAT you earn in your first month. See you in the next one.